What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. So it's been a while. I know you guys probably just saw the LED install video that I had last week, but it's been a year. And well, okay, no, let me rephrase that. So we're going now to summer kickoff. So I don't know if you guys saw the video before, but that was actually almost exactly a year ago. So we're going back to that event. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna see probably over 100 86s. It's gonna be great. Barbecue. It's gonna be a good time. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna detail my car when I'm there because I didn't get to wash it last weekend. And yeah, it'll be fun. All right, guys, we're here at Summer Kickoff 2018.
Oh no, what happened to AJ?
No. Yeah, he stopped.
I don't know if I'm gonna use that. It's all about Adam's colleges.
You right?
I don't know. What?
Brake line.
Is manager here giving out brake lines?
There are. Rear LCA.
They always give out brake lines, don't they?
You don't need LCA, just stop your car!
About to do the raffle, I think, right? Is that what we're doing, the raffle? And just had some food, hung out, looked at all the cars. That's all good, I got this Asian squat.
Oh my god. Your ass is supposed to touch the ground.
No, it's not.
Oh, you saw Radius? Dongo.
50.
And they banned him too.
So, pretty nicer this year.
And then I got banned.
Last year was super hot. Kind of a breeze this year. Not too bad. Sitting under some shade. I don't really know what we're waiting for. I think we're waiting for sketches, raffle, stuff like that. But yeah.
And then I've been on the board.
Thank you for lying to me. So we are about a half hour to 45 minutes behind what I've been telling everyone because there were so many people here. We had over 150 cars, so the judging and everything took a little time. The raffle took a little longer to get organized. People's choice took longer. It all just kind of backed us up. So.
Alright, boys, meet's over. We're at IT right now because it's really hot. It's like 90 something degrees right now. Nick won Best in the Show for his pink turbo FRS, so that was cool.
That Marcos guy, do you have more photos?
What? Bro, what the fuck?
Still I got a drink. Not a rep, the real thing. Much for
Oh, that mango.
No, it's not mango, it's passion fruit.
Oh, passion fruit? What the fuck?
We're out of mango today.
Oh, seriously?
Out of mango? Try to order mango.
Awesome. Just making sure because last
Alright guys, time to go home. It's really hot. I need some food. And yeah, it was a really good day. I didn't really get too much footage because I actually ended up talking to a bunch of people about different things. But yeah, it's a quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed it if you did. And hopefully I can start doing some more videos over the next few weeks. See you guys on the next one.